Osmoregulation can be defined as the processes by which organisms control solute concentrations and water balance within the body. Excretion can be defined as the removal of the nitrogenous metabolics and other metabolic waste products from our body. In many animals, excretory and osmoregulatory systems are linked structurally and functionally. In humans, the kidney is the main organ which produces urine as the excretory waste product and also maintain the osmotic balance in our body. There are two kidneys in human body which are located on the posterior abdominal wall, one on either sides of the vertebral column, behind the peritoneum and below the diaphragm. The right kidney is slightly lower than the left. The kidney receives blood from aorta via renal artery and renal veins returns blood to the inferior vein cava. The shape of the kidney is bean shaped and it's held in the position by a mass of fat and both are surrounded by a fibrous connective tissue. In the cross section, three areas can be seen from the naked eye. The first part is the outer fibrous capsule. This gives a shape to the kidney and protects from the infections. The second part is the renal cortex. The third part is the renal medulla, inner renal medulla. In the medulla, renal pyramids are found. Abscisses of pyramids projected into the renal pelvis and the renal pelvis leads into ureter. Usually, the size of a nephron is about 3 centimeters. Basically, it consists of two parts, the bowl of capillaries and the tubular parts. Bowl of capillaries is situated in the Bowman's capsule. To the glomerulus, blood is supplied by the afferent arteriole, and the blood vessels leaving away from the glomerulus is known as the afferent arteriole. Then we can find the proximal tubule, and then the loop of Henry and the distal tubule. So this distal tubule will connect with the collecting duct. Three main steps. The first is the ultrafiltration, the second selective reabsorption, third is the secretion. The diameter of the efferent arteriole is less than the afferent arteriole. This will increase the pressure inside the glomerulus and this will facilitate the ultrafiltration. Blood cells, platelets and plasma proteins do not filter due to the other substances like water, amino acids, glucose, vitamins, nitrogenous wastes will filter to the glomerulus. This is known as the filtrate or the glomerulus filtrate. The selective reabsorption mainly occurs in this part. 100% of glucose is absorbed in this part. Then the other substances like water, sodium, and potassium. Apart from the absorption, some substances are secreted to this part, such as ammonia, drugs, and hydrogen ions. Henle contains two parts, the descending limb and the ascending limb. The descending limb is permeable to water, so the absorption of water takes place in this place. But in the ascending limb, it's impermeable to water, so that part. Then the filtrate moves towards to the distal convoluted tubule. Here the water and sodium chloride is being absorbed and some ions like potassium are being secreted to the distal convoluted tubule. So the whole filtrate will move towards to the collecting